In 1834, the Spanish Inquisition was abolished more than 350 years after its creation. In 1870, Georgia became the last Confederate state to be readmitted to the Union. In 1913, Democrat Augustus Bacon of Georgia became the first person elected to the U.S. Senate under the terms of the recently ratified 17th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, providing for popular election of senators. In 1975, 3 American astronauts blasted off aboard an Apollo spaceship hours after 2 Soviet cosmonauts were launched aboard a Soyuz spacecraft for a mission that included a link-up of the 2 ships in orbit. In 1976, a 36-hour kidnap ordeal began for 26 schoolchildren and their bus driver as they were abducted near Cholla, California, by 3 gunmen and imprisoned in an underground cell. The captives escaped unharmed. The kidnappers were caught. In 1997, fashion designer Gianni Versace, 50, was shot dead outside his Miami Beach home. Suspected gunman Andrew Philip Cunanan, and 27, was found dead 8 days later, a suicide. Investigators believed Cunanan killed 4 other people before Versace in a cross-country rampage that began the previous March. In 2002, John Walker Lind, an American who'd fought alongside the Taliban in Afghanistan, pleaded guilty in federal court in Alexandria, Virginia, to 2 felonies in a deal sparing him life in prison.